is Meta Ad Library. You can look up every single Facebook and Instagram ad in existence. Okay, so let's go look at, let's go weight loss supplement. I'm literally just typing in a random, I don't even know. Romance novels, that didn't work. Weight loss supplement, why is that working? I know something little. Okay, so here's, looks like this one might be a good ad for something like this, like promoting insomnia still your appetite, read this. So this could be like a supplement ad, which is more like a problem or unaware ad, right? Let's see what else here we got. Appetite notes, stuff like that. Let's go to dog food. Let's go healthy dog food. I'm literally just typing in just whatever random thoughts in my head, right? Radiant root. Okay. Look at this. Is your dog bored, anxious, or eating too fast? Mealtime shouldn't be stressful for your pup. That's why so many dog brands are switching to an interactive slow feeder dog toy. It turns every meal into a fun, paw-friendly puzzle that keeps your dog focused, happily occupied. That's okay copy. It could be way better. You could actually have a proper call to action there. But there's an example of like, okay, let's check out that ad and let's see if they got any more. One way to find winning ads with Meta Ad Library is you can see every single, oh, what the heck happened there? Workers, WS, pet supplies, is go see if there's ads that have been around for a long time. So this is the same brand I just looked at, and these are all their ads. So they got 5 ads running. If they have ads that started running like a few months ago, it's usually a good sign that's a winning ad. This is a couple days ago. Okay, so these are all pretty new ads. So they must be just have started running those ads. But a way to find a winning ad is go see if this said like, okay, January 28, 28, 28, 28, but then it's like November 2025 or like July 2025. If you find one of these ads is actually from a few weeks or months ago, really good odds, that's the winner. That one's crushing it, and you should try to replicate. So that's one way to find winning ads, is just start with the Meta Ad Library, type in your niche. Their search system isn't that great. Like you saw weird romance novels coming up when I typed in like fitness or men's weight loss or something. So it's not perfect, but it's a really good way to find out when you are in there looking through different niches. If there's an ad that the date from when they started running was months ago and every other ad is newer, that's the winner, because they're going to keep pouring money into the winning ad. Okay, so look for those ones and identify those, and you can make a swipe file of those. Just save those ones, screenshot, whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's a way to find winning ads, right? Also, just like that's one way to start, but then like just scroll Instagram and TikTok and like and Facebook, like just look at the ads that pop up. What captures your attention? Save them, screen record them, whatever you got to do with their video.